How do y'all guess what? The outfit finally came. The outfit finally came. Yes, I'm a little sick, but that's okay. We're good. And of course, as soon as I did my makeup and got dressed today, of course it would come. So anyways, I know I never get to do unboxings or unbaggings. I don't know. So this is the outfit I was talking about in the last video that's also from the Oblong Box Shop. Now, the other outfit I did, or I got, that was the Halloween one, I did not do an unboxing, bagging, whatever. Okay, this is a lot, not as bright as I thought it was, actually. We don't need that, none of y'all's business. So yeah, I got the skirt and the romper. Oh yeah, this looks way better in person. It looks super bright on the website. Oh, this is perfect. This is like a perfect. Ooh. So here's the skirt part. Isn't that adorable? Looky there. And of course you can unbutton it. We'll try it on momentarily after I finish looking at it. Yeah, this material is a lot different than the other outfit that I have, but it still seems pretty not stretchy at all, but that's okay because I'm pretty sure that will fit me. I'm not the size of a bus, so I think we're good. So there's that part. And the romper part. I mean, for like, oh, what, $50 for the whole outfit? Why not just get both? Okay, the romper is a little bit different material. Look at that! Isn't that adorable? Look at that! Look at that! And it has pockets. Look at the spider. Look at the spider. It's so cute. This has a tiny bit of stretch. Once again, I'm not the size of a bus, so I think it should fit me. So, oh, and the straps are adjustable too. So yeah. And I do know, I'm pretty sure whenever I do post this video that they will be closed maybe. I'm not really sure, but because right now I think I looked at the site. I need a pair of scissors. Well, I'll get them in a second. Or I got a knife. I got a knife somewhere. You girls always got a knife, but just not up here for some reason. But yeah, it's pretty thick too. This is gonna be really cute next to the pool, y'all. So I know y'all want to see what it looks like on, right? Well, excuse me, I gotta put it on. But I was gonna say real quick, yeah, I'll still link it just in case that it is on there. But I think when I looked today, it said it had 14 or 10 days left or something before they close. So yeah, there's that. So if you want anything, which is very slim pickings right now, but if you want anything, you might want to go and order it, or else you're going to be paying like probably way too much for it on Depop or something. So I don't know, but then again, maybe not. Some people are nice, some people are not greedy. So anyways, that is that. So we'll be right back and show y'all what it looks like. All right, so here it is. All I did was just switch out colors, but yeah, this is the skirt. This is the romper. It actually fits very well. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but the green in the skirt is just a tiny bit different than the green in the romper. The skirt also has pockets, and she has it in, well, the pictures. Look how cute that is. Look, it's black underneath. I love that. But you're supposed to unbutton the bottom and then kind of let it, so you can see the shorts on, or the romper part underneath. You're like, woohoo. And yeah, now I can also wear the skirt with something else. So there is that. Like I said, this is going to be super cute next to the pool. I might even wear this on my birthday. I might wear this to the show with my best friend next week. I don't know. So now we're going to do it and see just the romper. Here's the romper, the little spider web. Of course, it has pockets too. And I actually didn't have to adjust it. Like honestly, it's pretty comfortable. It's pretty comfortable. Yeah. Like I can move it. Honestly, this fits me a little bit better than my sourpuss romper does. The zombie head one that's purple. Y'all have seen it 100 times probably. If not, I have a whole sourpuss collection that I will leave linked, showing my entire sourpuss collection minus like two things now and the shower curtains. But yeah, I think this is super cute. I love it. It's very comfortable. And yeah, like I said, for the price, like this has some stretch to it too. Like I said, I'm not the size of a bus, but a large was needed. But once your girl gets her shit back together, then this will be no problem because this has no stretch at all, like zero stretch. And it's a different material than the romper. So yeah. Yeah. It fits me, but it's a teensy bit tight. Like it's not uncomfortable. Like I wore tight shit before, so it's not that big of a deal. But I mean, yeah, the only issue I have is it's supposed to be a set together, and the greens are two totally different greens. Like this is like a monster puke green, and this is like a Halloween neon monster green. You know, if you spooky bitch, you know the difference. Okay, you know the difference. But yeah, I could definitely see me wearing this with a different top and just wearing the skirt and like a different top with it. The romper I see me wearing a lot. I do think both are really cute together though. Like I said, so yeah. And plus, yeah, I was right. It does go really cute with my purple hair. So yeah, that is this outfit. And yeah, so hopefully y'all can snag something from them really soon. Like I said, I'm not really sure when I'm coming out with this, but I just came out with one for St. Patrick's Day. Today's the 21st. So happy late Ostara. So, but yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. And I hope y'all have a great day. And let me know if you have this outfit or, because like I said, I originally wanted the coral in it, but I actually really like the green because I do like green. I just always thought it made me look washed out or something, but I ain't been able to tan since the year before last, so go figure. And I love to tan. But anyways, thank y'all so much. And yeah, let me know if you have any outfits from Oblong Box Shop or what have you, and I'll leave the other outfit linked wherever. But yeah, hope y'all have a good day. And of course, as always, don't forget to keep it rocking.